Hello YouTubers, I'm working on my wife's 2016 X3 and it's got an issue where it has like howling sound, kind of a squeaky howling sound. I first went with changing out the tensioner and the belt because it's got 159,000 miles on it. It stopped vibrating, sound went away for a little bit and then it came back. Well, what I did to troubleshoot the next issue was the PCV. If it goes bad, you have an enormous amount of vacuum on your oil cap. So you try to pull it off and it'll just be pulling down really hard. And then as soon as you get it off, it usually stops making that howling sound. If that's the case, they got these new PCV valves you can get from Amazon. I just went with the cheapest one just to see. And I made sure I had it before I even tried to pull off the other one. I just wanted to show you. I already did this once. Just wanted to show you. It's got 6 tabs on there. And they're a little brittle because they've been on here for so long. So I already broke those 2 off. You could pop this. Pop that one, and then it should come off. Just try not to drop anything down into that valve cover. That'd be not very good. But you can see it's torn right there, and this spring is weak compared to the new one. You can see the differences. One spring's collapsed, it's wore out, and the other one's got a nice amount of tension left on it. Let's see. So what I did is there was a lot of gunk down in here. See if you can see that better. I had a lot of gunk in here. I just cleaned it out. And I even sprayed down in here. I watched some other videos where they cut this open right here in this compartment. And there's little metal like reed valves. And it collect a lot of gunk there, and so to make sure that that wasn't clogged up, I took some penetrant oil, just sprayed it in there a little bit, and I replaced it with this, and I'll do it right now in front of you. What I did is I wiped this area down, put a little dab of Vaseline on there, or just some kind of oil to help make a better seal. And take this and line it up with your tabs. Make sure that's in there good. And this rubber gasket will actually fit down in this groove, like right there. So you can line up this seal in this groove here. And you take this and you make sure that you know where your tabs are. Get them to snap back in place. And you make sure you hear it click for each one of them. I think it's all done clicking. All right, and put it back together. Check that out. Pop it back on. Take this. Got a little bit of oil on there. And you just line up. There's some grooves in the back here. You gotta line it up with. Slide it into place. Once those slide in, just zoom out a little bit. Just once those slide in, you just pop it back down. And that's pretty much it. If you got a paper towel or something, just wipe up whatever mess you had. And that fixed my problem. There's no more noise after that.